Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working with Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake on Windows. First, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, then open the Controller tab. Here try Enable Steam Input, launch the game and check. If it still doesn't work, go back and disable Steam Input and test again. You can also try using the controller with a USB cable instead of wireless. After connecting, type USB game controllers in Windows Search, open Setup USB game controllers, click Advanced, and select your controller as the preferred device. If you are using a PlayStation controller, install and use DS4 Windows, and then launch the game. Disconnect extra USB devices connected to your PC, such as additional controllers, keyboards, mice, dongles, wheel pedals, or arcade sticks. Then, relaunch the game. Also make sure your controller firmware is updated. Xbox users can update using the Xbox Accessories app from Microsoft Store, and PlayStation users can update using the PlayStation Accessories app. Finally, try launching Steam in Big Picture mode and start the game from there. One of these steps should fix the controller issue. Thanks for watching. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel.